This is making of car without a driver. The effect we used in our movie was having lifelike 3D letters crossing a street and having our car without a driver stop before hitting them. First, we filmed our actors in raw footage. To achieve the car without a driver effect, we shot the inside of a car with a green screen and also out the front windshield. Once we had our footage, we used Maya Live to track several points in the scene. We were able to recreate the camera movement in Maya and then simply created and animated our 3D letters. To achieve the shadow effect, we rendered a plane behind and underneath our letters. We then created several ambient and directional lights to recreate the lighting conditions of the environment, which then cast shadows onto these planes. Once we rendered our letters, we used Shake to chroma key out the background and replace it with our real background footage. We then keyed our green screen footage off inside the car and replaced it with our footage of the car driving down the street. The rendered letters were then layered on top of the background footage. However, we then realized we had a problem with our letters. There was a mailbox in the raw footage that should have been including them, but the letters were actually showing up in front of the mailbox. To fix this, we rotoscoped the mailbox and layered it back on top of our previously composited footage to produce our final effect.